Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, for the last week now, we've been talking about the work going on. Actually, we've been talking about it longer than that. It was postponed a couple weeks because of the weather, or a week, because we had the rain coming in and no one really knew what some tropical disturbances in the Gulf were going to do, or coming into the Gulf. And so, but they finally got kicked off this week on Monday, and they mobilized on Monday, and then they started doing some blasting and some testing on Tuesday. And we showed you some clips earlier this week. But yesterday, we're trying to get out there, especially now since they're going full steam ahead, trying to get out there daily after lunch and sometimes even before, and document. We do have the webcam over at Fort Travis up and running, and it's zoomed in so you can see what's going on over there. But thought I would show you what was going on yesterday whenever we made a stop by, probably about 2 o'clock. Um, we park on the highway, and we're not that close to them. We're actually probably over the highway or over the property line going back towards the ferry. We've got Coastal One up, and we have the 7 times zoom zoomed in. So it's not the perfect picture because we did it real quick, didn't have time to adjust, but wanted to show you what was going on. And they've done different sections of the lighthouse already. But if you're in the area, you can stop in the little pull off area over there across from the lighthouse and see exactly what's happening over there. It's really a great view. And like I said, you can go to our website at BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. In fact, we've got a link in the write up, and see exactly what's happening over there. And you can watch it anytime on your website, whether you're at work, maybe you just want to check. Now, sometimes they'll be on the side where you can't see it, but they do have the giant man lift, and that's what they're working out of. And I tell you what, it's a long ways to the top uh, on a man lift. And so just wanted to show you this Saturday morning. Hopefully you're enjoying a great cup of coffee. I know we are here at the studio. And so, but we're going to be taking clips and giving you updates throughout the event down here, and let you know I saw them do some testing on, I think it was a primer, it was blue, or looked blue. And so I think right now all they're doing is the hydroblasting. And so please, if you're come down to see it and you park on the side of the road, make sure you're off the road. If you have kids, please watch the kids. Yesterday it was nice enough that, man, I sat in the truck off the road, had plenty of room, and just watched them for a little bit after I got done flying, and even before, because it was neat watching them move around and watching the transformation begin. So just wanted to give you an update on what's going on at the Bolivar Lighthouse, let you see up close. And you can actually go over, if you come down to see it, take a trip over to Fort Travis. There you can see it in the background. You can actually park over there. The view won't be as good, but there will be a view. Actually, the Bolivar Live Truck's just to the right, probably about under the Roku there. But anyway, just wanted to show you what was going on down at the lighthouse. Want to thank everyone involved and everyone that's made donations. And you can get more information on the transformation and what steps they're taking, and what they're doing, by going to their website for the Point Bolivar Lighthouse Foundation, and just visit pointbolivarlighthouse.org, I believe is the website. And they have all the information there. Every year for my birthday, Bolivar Live birthday party, the end of July, that's who we raise money for. And so we've done it for 2 years now. and I imagine we're going to do it again because I've always said the Bolivar Lighthouse is the beacon, um, a greeting beacon and a farewell. As you're leaving the peninsula or when you're coming down there, you can see them blasting one of the seams on the lighthouse. And like I said, I want to thank everyone that's been involved with this. Want to thank the board for everything they do and for making sure that we keep a piece of Texas history here on Bolivar Peninsula. You know, we have a lot of Texas history down here. The Fort Travis, the Bolivar Lighthouse. There's some history in Gilcrest and Kaplan, up in High Island. And then you get to the Anahuac Wildlife Refuge, and you've got Boy Scout Woods up in Highland and the Rookery, which isn't history, but it is neat to see with family and friends, and it's a great addition or a great part, I should say, of Bolivar Peninsula and what we have to offer down here, along with all the family businesses, seafood restaurants. In fact, it's oyster season, so if you love oysters, now's the time to come on down and enjoy it. So, anyway, just wanted to show you what was going on at the Bolivar Lighthouse. If you get a chance, stop by, take a gander around, and just see what they're doing. I don't know if they're going to be working weekends, but I do know they're working during the week, and usually they roll in around, I think, 8 o'clock, 8:30, and then start the process. We've been going by after lunch, and hopefully they'll start doing some painting in the next week. Originally, they had said 8 days, but I think it's going to take a little bit longer than that. So, anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula, for Thanksgiving weekend 2024. And remember, we have the Bolivar Christmas Market on Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend. I think we're sold out on booths. We may have one booth left, but it's going to be a great time, great entertainment. We've got some interviews coming with Salty Mermaid and Latitude on the fashion show. Santa Claus is going to make a grand entry at 1 o'clock. And so make sure you bring the kids down. We've got some great entertainment that's going to be on stage singing too. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. God bless, and bye-bye.